Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a common issue that's been bugging HP Windows users. Error code 0xc00005, especially in 2025 models. If your computer is crashing, freezing, or showing this dreaded blue screen, don't panic. We've got a straightforward guide to fix it. This error is basically an access violation in Windows, meaning a program is trying to access memory it shouldn't, often leading to instability. First off, let's talk about why this happens. Common causes include corrupted system files, incompatible software, outdated drivers, or even malware infections. It might also stem from hardware issues like faulty RAM. If you're an HP user from 2025, this could be linked to specific updates or configurations, so stay tuned for targeted fixes. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sounds simple, but it clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. If that doesn't work, open the command prompt as an administrator, search for it in the Start menu, and type sfc now, then hit Enter. This system file checker tool will scan and repair any corrupted files, which is a game changer for this error. Next, head to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and make sure your system is fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause this too, so visit the HP website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them. If you're still facing issues, run a full malware scan using Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program to rule out any sneaky infections. For more advanced users, consider checking your RAM with Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Just search for it and run the test. If nothing helps, try a system restore to a point before the error started. Remember, always back up your data before making changes. By following these steps, you should get your HP machine back on track. Prevention is key, so keep your software updated and avoid downloading shady programs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.